My name is Mitch Conti, and I'm the Chicago Market Manager for KOVAL Distillery. KOVAL was founded in 2008 by Sonat and Robert Birnecker. They were in DC, and she wanted to move back to Chicago. That's where her family's at. So they changed the Prohibition-era laws that were in place, allowing us to be the first distillery in Chicago since the mid-1800s. Our bourbon is our best-selling spirit. It is in every single market that we are sold in, and then right after that, it's our dry gin. We've seen our rye and our cranberry gin liqueur start coming in pretty close to those. So those top four are definitely the ones that we have seen the biggest growth from. So what a person can expect when they visit the distillery is, of course, tours of the distillery and in turn, tastings of our spirits, because you want to know what it tastes like. And then additionally, we'll offer cocktail classes. So we invite people to come into our space every week and learn how to make cocktails with our spirits. What it means to be Illinois made to KOVAL is the fact that everything we make is made right here. We source all of our grains from a 150-mile radius of Chicago. So we mill all of our grains on site because what we do here is going against the grain. It's going in a different direction. And we are constantly trying to innovate and bring something that is old, new.